This season at ż-FIN Malta, our gaze is towards the future.
Nostalġiku ta' wara l-bniedem u futuristiku. Id-direttur artistiku tal-kumpanija nazzjonali taż-żfin ż-FIN Malta, Paolo Mangiola, jintroduċina mat-temi ewlenin li se jesploraw permezz tal-koreografija fl-istaġun il-ġdid.
We are looking at in the times of conflicts and climate change where they really feel very real. We ask every artist that comes down to Malta to work on questions like what it means to be human in a post-human world. How do we imagine the future in 100 years? And we will be able how to take the human body off the center stage and put it into coexistence with all other elements like nature and technology. So all these big questions, they are all kind of addressed into a season which is beautifully lined up with big names. And this season we really touch on things on archive, on memories, on nostalgia, on the idea of interdependence. And all these works, they are all powerful. Some of them, they are humorous. Some of them, they are more nostalgic. But all of them, they really give an experience to the audience which is formative and unique. For this season, for us, what's really the most important thing to do is to really be grounded in the present, but have the courage to look into the future. The season starts in September, end of September, we have the launch. And the first show is at the end of October with the work created, choreographed by me in collaboration with Matthew Attard, a visual artist from Malta, and an Indian composer. His name is Goya. Then we move in December with a beautiful collaboration with Spazio Creative. We have 6 local choreographers that will create 3 solos and 3 duets. And this is an evening which will unfold into 4 nights. And again, this is great because we really provide a platform for these young artists to experiment and to create something which is new. Then we move into February. We have our annual program which is called ż-FIN Made. This season it's different because we have 2 weekends. The first weekend we have a double bill and the restaging of one of the most up-to-date and successful shows, Girls and Boys. And the other weekend we have again a double bill by Marco D'Agostino, which is an Italian choreographer, and one piece by mine, created by me. And we again have a restaging of the previous work for last season, Within Chaos by Tania Carvalho. After that, we move into April. The company is finally going on tour. We're going to Germany, we're going to Italy, and then we come back here and we have maybe the biggest production again this year, this coming season, which is a new creation by Emmanuel Gatt, a world-renowned choreographer. The season, once again, is packed with beautiful works for the company, as well as all the lateral activities which we have through the outreach programs that we do, the collaborations with schools. We are calling down some beautiful teachers that will allow the students here in Malta also to experience what it means to work with the company dancers. And lastly, and quite importantly also this season, we are launching the first time our Aspire program, which is basically an apprenticeship for dancers that are locally based. And they will really experience the work of the company. They will be working 2 afternoons with the dancers and then the weekends. So I'm really, really happy. We cannot wait for us to share this with you and with the audience.